Happy 2022. If you made it this far, okay, if you've made it through the last 2 years and you're watching this video, give yourself a round of applause because it's been a crazy 2 years. I know for 2021, that was not my year for me at all. I was trying to figure out myself and just figure out my life and what I wanted to do. Now, this is the first video of the new year, okay? And it is a hair video. But last year, November and December, I tried out a couple of different videos and styles and ideas, and I really paid attention to what you guys gravitated towards, right? And so with that, this year I'm really gonna be changing it up, mixing it up. We're gonna have tech videos. My iPad video read really well, so we're gonna have more iPad videos, scheduling, just fun stuff besides hair. If you guys are new to my channel, I mostly do all hair videos, but for the last year I've been just really trying to get out of that box because I feel like I've been so boxed in. And for the new year, for this year, we are trying different things, whether you guys like it or not, because I just can't continue doing hair tutorials all day. How many installs can you possibly do? Minus this video. How many hair installs can you possibly do, right? So I'm gonna be switching it up, having fun. I still love hair, but I'm gonna experiment with more tape-ins, tips, microlinks, wig, U-part wigs, more things that just offer more flexibility because there is more to life than just a lace. Hence, we're doing a lace video now. So, what is a lace wig good for? It's great for other girls who like their hair tucked away completely. They like to have no hair, no worries. They want to dye their hair. They like to have fun, change it up, be extra, have it look natural, have big baby hairs. So it allows for more flexibility for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install your lace wig, especially if you're a beginner, especially if you are just, you know how to do a wig, but you want some extra tips added. We have TikTok, we have Instagram Reels. There are new fun little things that are coming out every day, new techniques on how to make your wig look amazing without doing what we were programmed to learn, right? So in this video, I kind of want to play around with some of those TikTok viral things that I've seen, and let's see if it works, okay? Now with that, I will be showing you guys how to install your wig. I'm going to be using Gotta Be glue holding spray. My edges, I feel like my edges are walking. I feel like I left my edges in 2021. I feel like my edges are not, they're not here. I'm gonna take a break from glue. We need some space. I think it's time for us to see other people, me and glue. It's just not gonna work, all right? So I am gonna be using Gotta Be glue holding spray, and I could take it off without having to use alcohol, anything rubbing really that creates more friction on my edges. Without further ado, because I'm just chit-chatting away. We have this wig from Myfirstwig. Yay! Before we get started, make sure you have your curling iron on or your hot comb. Make sure it's already heating up because these days I also haven't been using the hot comb because I'm getting a better result with the actual curling iron to flatten my wig and just lay it flat, which is also another thing that I've seen more people use on TikTok and on Instagram. So that's one of the first things. So I actually have my T3 curling iron right here. Now this thing gets really freaking hot. If you're in the market for a new curling iron, between the T3 curling iron and the EAP heat, woo! Again, with Myfirstwig, you don't have to really pluck. Unless you guys want to pluck, you can go ahead and pluck, but you don't have to pluck the wig, and that's one thing that I really love about Myfirstwig. So I don't really feel like I have to explain this part to you guys because I feel like it's like mucho self-explanatory. Get your Gotta Be glue holding spray, and it's real simple, guys. So first things first is just brush your hair back, get all the strands out of your face, off your skin, all right? So that means rolling it back. I use an edge control brush, and I just brush back. I've also been using this edge control that I really love. I've been using this Curls edge control, and it's giving me like a mini breakout all around my edges, and I really hate that for me because I love, like, one of the best edge controls for people who have like, I guess I have 4C here. Do I have 4C? I don't know the curl pattern stuff, but it's breaking me up. I'm gonna brush this hair back. In Myfirstwig, their lace is very clear. Like, I mean, like, insanely clear. So you just want to make sure that you don't have the wig too far back. Then guys, you're gonna see your hair on underneath the lace. And I didn't intend for this video to be a talking video, but I'm going to go in and out. So I'm gonna play some music and then talk on some parts. Oh shoot, there's lace in the bag. Oh guys, there is a wig sale happening on January 14th. I can't want to say June. January 14th. Whew. And then it's simple. I'm gonna go ahead and just speed this part up because it's just literally the same old technique. All right. Let me press play on this movie though. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just cut my lace. You guys already know this part already. And it's gonna be crusty, giving you guys a little heads up. And I'm going kind of close, but not too close, but close enough, you know? See, this part we're gonna have to spray again. That's okay. All right, now the way to get rid of more crust, the way to get rid of crust is to add more spray. I know, it doesn't make any sense, but it makes sense at the same time, you know? So I'm just gonna fix this first. Hold that down. All right, inside your wig is gonna always look amazing, right? It's not until you go outside and you see the real truth. Like, does my wig look good? Is it too light? Is it too white? Is it too red? Is it too orange? Is it matching my skin, right? So I like to just use whatever I have left on a fluffy brush, which is usually like a regular powder or like a bronzing powder or something. And I just like to rub it on the lace. Now, again, do not use a powder that has a red undertone. If that makes sense. Like, you want it to be as brown and more of like a yellow undertone as possible. Like, if it looks like it could be reddish, it is reddish, okay? If it looks like it's more on the chocolatey browner side, use that, because that's something that won't look too crazy or look irregular in the daylight. So I just do that just to make it blend some more. And this way you could be full confident inside or outside, okay? And I'm not gonna wipe away any excess spray or anything, which is what you might be seeing if it looks kind of shiny. Here we are at this step. Now what I want to do is, this is what I've seen on TikTok, and I've never thought to do this, so we're gonna see if this works. So I always see them like draw a straight ass line, right? I'm hoping this look good because I ain't doing this wig over. See them draw a straight line. All right, I'm gonna make it a little bit thinner because I'm assuming this is what the baby hair would be, and we don't want that much baby hair, okay? Let me work on this first, and then I'm gonna come back and thin it out. So it's not fully straight yet, but to get the mold going, I'm gonna actually just start flattening this part because it won't stay. You know your lashes is too long when your hair is getting stuck in your lashes. I'm gonna spray, they spray right here. And then I see them comb it back. And then, ooh, be careful with this for it sizzles. I'm gonna comb it out as I'm doing it because I don't want it to get too stiff. Oh, I see where we're going with this. Okay, I see what they're doing. I see what's happening. It's making it really like flat and formed. I'm gonna actually do this side of my hair and then just show you guys this side after. But I wanna go ahead and cut baby hairs because I'm curious to know if I think, you know. Then I see them cut baby hairs. Now this is way too much for me, but I do see them curl it. That is a TikTok thing. Where's my hot comb? My flat iron. So some girls flip their edges up. I don't like it like that because it's harder to like scoop. I like to like kind of like twirl mine down this way. So I'm gonna do that with all the hairs. All the hairs, emphasis on all. There's so much hairs. And I'm gonna do that with my curl iron, my flat iron. See, this is where we at. And then what I see them girls do is they hold it and scoop, but spray your edge control brush first. Right? And then I don't really like to have edges start from here, so I might actually scoop that part back. Yeah, I'm gonna scoop this part back. But this part. So don't bring it down to the end. See? Press, like, only comb right here, the roots of the curl. Don't actually comb the ends, guys, or it's gonna look weird. And if you feel like that's just too, like, weird and long, cut it. But at an angle. So it's like that. And then keep trimming it until you find your happy medium. All right, so this is where we're at with this side. I'm gonna go ahead and fly in each row, and then I'm gonna curl each row. But we're gonna speed this up because we could be here all day, all right? Alright, so we have this side done. I did like beach waves, so the ends are a little bit straight. It looks really good. So this is the side that we already have all finished. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. Alright, so we have our beach waves right here. Love it, love it. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and just brush them out. I have a little line right here from the curl knife. I'm gonna just flatten that out. And then I also want to add some layers into it, okay? Just gonna keep playing with it until I get it to where I really, really, really love it. So, bear with me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and run to Ulta. I want to get a new foundation that I want to try out and see if it, like, you know, does well with my skin and on camera. So this is the final result for the hair. It's freaking beautiful. I love the beach wave. This is my first time actually perfecting the beach wave. I hope it's in focus. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and BRB. But yes, all right, BRB.